2015 video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you the linked library feature, and I'm going to use custom shapes. Now these custom shapes are from Graphic Extras, but of course you can use any other custom shapes. These ones are arch designs. Now just to quickly create one of the designs, a shape layer. What I'm going to do is add some effects as well, such as a layer and layer style and a drop shadow. So just quickly add drop shadow there, as well as change the colour. So just going to go for maybe not purple, but go for a lighter. Now, once I've done that, just go over here to the Move tool and then just drag across, and it's stored now in the library. Now, the library is available via the Window and Libraries, and stored across the entire Creative Cloud now. So you can use it in Illustrator, you can also use it in other versions of Photoshop on other machines that are part of the Creative Cloud for yourself. Now I'm just going to remove that, and what you can do then to actually put it back, there's a couple of options. You can just drag it onto the document, or you can also just right click and you'll see options place linked and place layers. Now place linked is the same as the just dragging it to the document, and place layers is if you hold down the Alt key, it will actually just create a copy that's not connected to this library. So you can just create it and it's totally separate, and any changes made to it are not affected over here. Right, so I'm just going to say place linked, so it just puts it over there. Okay, now what you can do then is you can go over here to properties, and if you can't see the properties, it's Window and Properties, and there's a little option here, edit contents. So you say edit contents, and what you can do a number of things, but I'm just going to just quickly resize it, rotate it around, make it slightly different from what before, as well as maybe modify the colour. So layer style, colour overlay, I'm just going to go for maybe orange this time. Maybe the client's decided they want orange instead. So click OK. Now what you have to do, and if you suddenly think, oh, it's going to change straight away over there, it doesn't actually change straight away. So you've got time to think, well, no, I don't want that. I can go back at this point, but you can just then save it. That's the key thing there. So click there, save. And as soon as you do that, you can see it's updated over here. Now, if you do the same sort of thing, I'm just going to go over here and drag with the Alt key selected, so it drags across, and you'll notice that the properties doesn't allow you to edit, so it doesn't make any difference. You can do any number of things to this and it's not affected over in the libraries. Right, so once you've done that, you've got the design. Of course you can duplicate it very easy as well. You can just say again place linked, place multiple copies, so you can just say place linked. I'll just select that one. Now one thing I would love to see would be actual place linked number of copies, but unfortunately I don't think they would add that feature, because that's the sort of feature I would like. But it would be nice if you just go there, place linked, and maybe 100 copies or something like that, so you don't have to do it over and over and over again. So you can say place linked, and you can just put it there, and again you've got the same design. Now again, like I said, you can just quickly edit that. You can just see edit content, so you just click there, and again you've got this design, so you can just rotate it, maybe resize it, and of course if you want to add another copy in here, you can actually hold the Alt key down here and you can actually just drag that across, so you can see there, and now save that, and they're all changed, all updated, so you've got a completely new design, maybe like a logo or whatever. You've suddenly changed the logo, so you can have it across an entire number of files, and all those files, if they're linked like this, will be potentially updated. Obviously once you open the file, obviously I'm certainly don't get updated in the actual PSD file or anything while they're not actually open. I haven't actually tested that, but maybe that is the case. So right, plug out it. So right, there you have it. Quick and easy way of modifying a design and a custom shape design and creating it all in sync across the Creative Cloud. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.